Hi everyone, and a very warm welcome to Beautiful Within. So today I'm going to review the bling bag. This is how the bag looks like for the month of April. It is the spring theme that they have, and they've sent a card also along with this. I'm really sorry, the review is a little delayed because I'm currently not at my usual place. I am currently at my in-laws place, so I had got this shipped to them, and so it got a little delayed. So apologies for that, but still I thought it'll be better for me to share my blings with you. So I'll just read out the card for you. The card says, April Spring Bling Bag. Hey Bling Diva, spring has sprung, not just in the gardens but in your April bling bag too. We got inspired from the blooming spring flowers and handpicked your blings to set your spring party mood on a high. Keep blinging. So thank you bling bag, thank you for the spring bag. It's actually a very springy bag with all the flowers and everything. It's a tissue bag, very good quality. I'll just open now and show you the contents as well. So here is what the contents are. So digging into the first piece, the first piece that they've sent me is a pair of earrings in a cute yellow mesh bag with confettis, which now I've started loving actually. In the last time I was actually not loving it, now I've learned to love it. So the earrings are a very pretty turquoise colored earrings. You can see these. I really love these earrings. They are very well mounted. The pearls and everything is very nice, and especially the color. Luckily I just got a suit gifted of this same color yesterday only. So I'm very happy to receive it. This is of INR 799 bucks. This retails for that much. So this is the first one. The second one is a necklace. I guess it's very, it is there in all of the bling bags that were given. So I'll just show you the necklace as well. It is also in an orange mesh bag. So this is the necklace. This is how it will look. This is how it will look. It's a pretty pearl and stone necklace. So there are red stones, ruby red stones and purple stones. This is going to look really nice with the dress. Actually, I'm wearing a navy blue dress and it's matching with my dress as well. I don't know why it's getting tangled. Very cute stones, I would say, and very nice pearls. Very nice pearls, rose gold pearls. This retails for INR 899. I love the necklace as well. Actually, this time I've loved all of the bling bag accessories. They've sent me 4 products. So the third product is also a pair of earrings, which I'll just share. They're a pair of pearl earrings that they've sent that is going to match with the earring that they sent. So this is a pair of pearl studs which they've sent with diamonds in it. Very classic, very pretty, and I really like such kind of jewelry. So this can be worn to office as well, and this can be worn to a cute work party as well. I really love this. This is my favorite piece till now. And the last piece, which I'm unable to decide whether that is my favorite or this is my favorite. So the last piece has also come in a pink mesh bag, and it's a necklace, and I really love the necklace. I'll share with you, and I'm sure you will love it too. So very pretty cute stone tassel necklace. So this is the length of the necklace, and this is how it's looking like. This has turquoise, steel green, ruby red and aquamarine or sea green, and with gold tassels. These are going to look really good with tassel earrings or even with studs, but they can dress up anything from a salwar kameez to a dress, and I really love this piece. This is also for rupees 799. So this time all the 4 pieces, I've really loved all the 4 pieces, but this necklace and these pair of stud earrings, these are my favorite pieces from this month's bag. And so bling bag is a fashion jewelry subscription, a monthly subscription, which is retailing for 1499 rupees. Of course, if you subscribe for a longer duration, you get discounts. I'll link all the description in the description box, all the links in the description box for bling bag where you can purchase it, and a short description on them and the prices of all of these products also. You can also purchase them from the Bling Boutique. Please do tell me what you got in your bling bag, and did you like my bling bag or not, and which is your favorite piece. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.